Hello everyone, welcome to GeoGs by Aditya sir. So, if you're watching this video, it means somewhere somehow you are confident enough that you are going to clear the written examination of IBPS PO mains and going for the interview. So, I'm going to discuss top 10 interview questions of IBPS PO 2024 based on the last 5 years of IBPS PO interviews. So, last 5 years में जो आपसे जो बहुत frequently interview questions पूछे गए ना, उसके बेसिस पर जो टॉप 10 क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे in the year 24 also that I am going to discuss with you. First of all, one important information, my interview batch for the IBPS PO interview preparation is already live on the Guidely platform with 3 mock interview, 20 plus live classes. यहाँ 15 लिखा but 20 plus live classes है. Schedule is already up, you can check it. Each and every session relevant for the preparation of your IBPS PO interview 2024 with 10 plus videos also, 20 प्लस लाइव क्लासेस. कुछ नहीं बचेगा जो आपसे इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाए और आपको ना पता हो. एवरीथिंग विल कवर विद इन द बैच and do practice properly with the support of multiple mocks. Join the batch today itself. For the people those who have already joined my RRB PO interview batch, for them the cost is going to be less than 1999. मतलब 1999 लिस्टिंग प्राइस है, उसके ऊपर यू विल बी एबल टू गेट द डिस्काउंट ऑफ 190 रुपी 10% ऑफ. तो 1700 के आसपास आपके लिए कॉस्टिंग होगा. What is the nationalized bank? What is nationalized bank and how they are different from PSP? ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है. See, RRB interview is different from IBPS PO interview in lots of manner. RRB always keep focused on MSME, rural banking, self-help group, joint liability group. What is NABARD? What is RRB? What is the initiative? What is one state, one RRB concept? All these are the questions which you have seen in your RRB PO interview till now. In the IBPS PO interview, there will be questions regarding the general banking operations more. Questions will be regarding universal banking, major banking products they will ask you. Apart from that, the history of nationalized bank, questions related to the merger, acquisition of the nationalized banks in India, privatization, its impact, merger, its impact. तो ये आपका major area हो जाएगा. Question number 1, what is nationalized bank and how it is different from public sector bank? If you will explain that, sir, there are 11 nationalized banks in India. Sir, 11 nationalized banks in India mein, when we will add one State Bank of India also, then the remaining then the total banks, 12 banks are called public sector bank. तो वो आपसे पूछ लेते हैं, is SBI a nationalized bank or not? If you will say yes sir, then why we are calling only 11? Why not total 12 banks are nationalized bank, total 12 are public sector? क्योंकि यही बोला जाता है ना, 12 banks are public sector bank, 11 are called nationalized bank. तो क्या रीजन है? ऐसे क्वेश्चन बनेंगे. What is your view on the privatization of PSB? IDBI got privatized. What is your view over the privatization? Is recent amendment of government, that is Banking Law Amendment Rule 2024, that is Banking Law Amendment Rule 2024, is it a amendment which have again opened the privatization doors for the banking industry? They will ask you, what is your point of view over it? Remember one thing, bankers never ever are in the favor of privatization of any public sector bank. जो आपका पैनल बैठा हुआ है ना, they also got retired from one of the PSB. They are never in the favor of the privatization. तो बैलेंस करके आंसर देना है, but more inclined toward the toward against the privatization, you need to maintain your answer. After that, what are the advantages and disadvantages of merger? Even वो आपसे advantage disadvantage नहीं पूछते, वो बोलते हैं what is your point of view over the merger? So when you are talking about the merger of public sector bank, never talk on one aspect. Always try to be balanced in the merger case, that you need to tell about the pro and cons both for the merger of the public sector banks. Then why PNB? Why I have taken example. If you remember, while filling the IBPS PO form, you have filled a preference list that I want to keep BOB as my first preference, or PNB, or if you are from South, definitely you kept Canara Bank or Indian Overseas Bank, whatever the bank is there on your first preference, जो भी बैंक है, even Central Bank of India. एक क्वेश्चन होता है IBPS PO इंटरव्यू में, that question you will not listen in RRB PO or in SBI PO. वो सिर्फ IBPS PO का इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन है. Why this is your first preference? Why this is your last preference? why this is your second preference, बस ये दो तीन ही पूछते हैं, not fifth number or sixth number. Usually 99% case, why this is your first preference. For example, PNB. So why PNB is your first preference? So you should know about the recent updates in PNB. You should know about what are the achievement of PNB in the recent time. Then tagline of PNB, CMD of PNB, the name of new CMD who's recommended for the PNB. All these questions. Another question which directly indirectly all of you are going to face during the interview for sure, 100% sure. Either directly, indirectly, this will be a question which will come in each of you. Why banking? Why you want to come to the banking industry? Justification is most important with the confidence. What is the biggest challenge in the banking industry in the current scenario? आज की डेट में biggest challenge क्या है? Don't answer NPA all the time. NPAs are decreasing in the market. NPAs decrease हो रहे हैं. Profit is increasing. Now Indian banking system, apart from NPA will always be there. That is a part of one of the most important risk of banking. It is a credit risk. So NPA will always be there. NPA will not be zero in any case. Zero तो नहीं होने वाला है, वो कभी भी रहेगा. 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, it will always be there in the banking industry. तो NPA तो रहेगा. That is always a permanent challenge of banking है वो. Current scenarios में, if you will observe, the adoption of artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is a challenge. Making people aware about it, digital arrest, that is a new type of scams in the banking industry. So digital banking scams are the biggest challenge, making people aware about it, and how to keep people funds safe. This is the biggest challenge banking industry is struggling at present. How do banks generate profit? What is the method? Or balance sheet of bank. Usually the bank which you kept on the top preference, they will ask you few questions. Do you know about the balance sheet of this bank? It is mainly for the commerce background student. If you have done BCom or MCom, आप BCom MCom belong करते हैं, या फिर you are from the commerce background, economic background, then balance sheet वो आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. NPA resolution process is the most important topic. When you are going for IBPS PO interview, एक टॉपिक और होता है काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो है KYC. Recent update in KYC, RBI का सर्कुलर आया था. Then anti money laundering, types of collateral in the banking industry, types of collateral, types of check, payment settlement. ये दो तीन चार ऐसे टॉपिक है which are very frequent in your interview, okay, in IBPS PO. So these are the top 10 questions based on the last 5-year analysis of your IBPS PO interview. I have told you our batch is live. You can join the batch today itself. For the preparation, write the video, write the name of the video on which you want me to make my next video out of this list. ऐसा मत लिखना सर प्लीज मेक ऑल वन बाय वन, पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, इररिलेवेंट है. जो भी आपको बेस्ट लगता है ना कि सर ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है, प्लीज डू मेक द वीडियो ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, उसके ऊपर मैं वीडियो करूंगा. इफ यू आर राइटिंग सर मेक ऑल द वीडियोस वन बाय वन, इररिलेवेंट है, राइट. मेक द डिमांड विच इज जेनरिक. अभी आप बोलोगे अपने घर पे आई वॉन्ट टू बाय दिस कार, पापा गिफ्ट मी दिस कार, तो वो नहीं करेंगे ना कोई पर्टिकुलर कार. जेनरिक डिमांड रखा करो. डिमांड, मेक द डिमांड, आई डेफिनेटली कंप्लीट इट इफ इट इज जेनरिक. ओके, चलो, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो सो दे कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन, दे कैन ऑल्सो watch it and get the idea about the preparation. Please like and share the video and do subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. Thank you for watching it.